Stop for a second. This might hit close to home. If you're a man over 40, you already know your body isn't the same machine it used to be. Energy crashes out of nowhere. Workouts feel harder. Recovery drags. And no matter how hard you try, the belly fat doesn't melt off like it did in your 20s. Here's the thing. It's not always your training that's broken. It's what you're missing. Most guys over 40 skip 3 simple, boring, but powerful supplements. And that's the difference between spinning your wheels and actually feeling strong, lean, and energized again. No hype, no magic pills, just 3 proven staples backed by research and trusted by athletes, trainers, and men just like you. And if you stick with me, I'll show you how to use them so you feel the difference in as little as 7 days. Why listen? This is Dad Bod 40, the channel built to help men over 40 lose fat, rebuild muscle, and take back their energy without wasting time or money. I've studied what works, cut through the fads, and built simple systems that busy dads can actually stick to. What I'm about to share with you isn't theory. It's the foundation I've seen transform guys in their 40s, 50s, even 60s. Roadmap. Here's exactly what you'll get in this video. The 3 supplements every man over 40 should never skip. The science of why they matter more after 40 than ever. The doses, timing, and types so you don't waste money. A daily action plan you can screenshot and start today. And stick around to the end. I'll hit you with a myth-busting lightning round so you never get fooled by supplement nonsense again. Why it matters. After 40. Once you hit 40, your body doesn't play by the old rules. Testosterone drops about 1% per year. Muscle protein synthesis slows down, which means your body doesn't build muscle from protein as efficiently. Recovery feels longer, and insulin sensitivity decreases, making carbs hit harder and fat easier to gain. In plain English, you can't wing it anymore. That's where these supplements come in. They don't replace hard work, sleep, or nutrition, but they amplify your results. Think of them as levers that make the basics work harder for you. 1. Creatine monohydrate, the strength multiplier. What it is. Creatine monohydrate is the most studied sports supplement in history, period. Why it works after 40. It helps your muscles recycle ATP, your body's short burst fuel. That means you get an extra rep, lift more weight, or recover faster. Over time, this adds up to more strength, muscle, and energy. Bonus. Creatine may also support brain health and memory, which we all need after 40. How to use it. Dose. 3 to 5 grams daily. Type. Plain creatine monohydrate. Don't waste money on fancy blends. Timing. Anytime. Consistency matters more than timing. Loading phase? Optional. If you want faster results, do 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days, then drop to 3 to 5 grams per day. Pro tips. Mix in warm water or a shake. Drink an extra glass of water with it. If you get stomach upset, split into 2 doses. Track this. Log your lifts. If you're adding 2 to 5 pounds or 1 to 2 reps in 2 to 3 weeks, it's working. Expect fuller muscles, not fat gain. 2. Protein, your muscle insurance. What it is. A protein shake isn't magic. It's a tool, a shortcut to hit your daily protein needs without cooking another meal. Why it works after 40. As you age, your muscles are less responsive to protein. You need more per meal, 30 to 40 grams, to trigger growth and repair. Most men I coach think they eat enough until we track it. They're at 60 to 80 grams per day when they need 160 to 180 grams. How to use it. Daily target. 0.7 to 1.0 grams per pound of goal body weight. 200-pound guy equals 100 times 60 to 200 grams. Per meal. 30 to 40 grams protein. Type. Whey isolate. Low lactose. Digest fast. Dairy-free. Go with pea plus rice blend. Timing. Anytime. Post-workout is convenient, but what matters is total daily intake. Pro tips. Don't live on shakes. 1 to 2 per day max. Pick whey isolate if you bloat on concentrate. Blend with spinach plus frozen berries for easy nutrition. Track this. Log grams of protein daily. Stable energy and fewer cravings mean you're nailing it. 3. Omega-3s joint and recovery armor. What it is, omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, from fish oil or algae oil. Why it works after 40. They support joint health, heart health, and recovery. They help balance inflammation, so you're less sore and more consistent with training. Bonus. Omega-3s also support brain health and focus. How to use it. If you eat fatty fish, salmon, sardines, 2 to 3 times per week, you may not need it. If not, supplement with 1 to 2 grams of EPA plus DHA per day. Take it with meals to avoid fish burps. Choose brands with third-party testing for purity. Pro tips. Store away from heat or in the fridge. If you burp, try enteric-coated caps. Plant-based, use algae oil. Track this. Joint comfort on a 1 to 10 scale. Are you skipping fewer workouts from soreness? How to stack them. Busy Dad proof. Here's how you fit all 3 into your day without overthinking. Morning. Fish oil with breakfast plus coffee. Workout, protein shake plus creatine. Evening, extra protein shake if you're short on the day. Tips: keep creatine next to your shaker. Put fish oil by your coffee maker. Set a nightly protein check reminder. Track your streak. Aim for 14 days straight. That's when you'll notice the difference. Budget and quality. Don't break the bank. Here's what matters. Creatine. Plain monohydrate. Cheapest brand. Protein. Whey isolate or pea/rice blend with 20 to 25 grams of protein per scoop. Omega-3. Mid-range brand with 1 to 2 grams EPA plus DHA and purity tested. Cost per day? Around $2 to $3 total. Way cheaper than test boosters or junk stacks. Mini case study. Jason, 49. Jason was training hard but stuck. He added protein to hit 180 grams per day, 5 grams of creatine daily. 1.5 grams fish oil with breakfast. 30 days later, bench press up 10 pounds, squat up 15 pounds. Afternoon crash is gone, down 4 pounds and a notch tighter on his belt. Nothing else changed, just consistency with these 3 basics. 1-page action plan. Screenshot ready. Daily checklist: creatine 3 to 5 grams, protein 0.7 to 1.0 grams per pound, omega-3 1 to 2 grams. Weekly rhythm: Sunday, prep meals plus refill pill organizer. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, lift plus creatine plus shake. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, cardio plus fish oil with breakfast. Start today, mix a shake. Take your first 5 grams creatine. Put your fish oil next to the coffee pot. Safety and personalization supplements are support, not a replacement. If you have kidney disease, bleeding disorders, or medical conditions, talk to your doctor. Personalize. If you already eat fatty fish or hit protein, adjust. FAQ lightning round. Will creatine bloat me? Only a little water in your muscles, not fat. Is whey protein bad for kidneys? Not in healthy men. Fish oil burps? Take with food or use coated caps. Best creatine type? Monohydrate, period. Can I skip supplements if I eat perfect? Maybe, but most busy dads don't. Myth versus fact. Myth: creatine is a steroid. Fact: it's natural, legal, and safe. Myth: carbs plus protein powder make you fat. Fact: they build muscle and recovery. Myth: fish oil thins your blood dangerously. Fact: safe at normal doses. Check if you're on meds. If this helped, check out more guides at dadbod40.com. Drop a comment. Which of these 3 are you starting today? Creatine, protein, or omega-3? So there you have it. The 3 supplements men over 40 should never skip: creatine, protein, and omega-3s. They're simple. They're proven. And if you give them 14 days, you'll feel the difference. But don't stop here. Supplements only work if your nutrition is dialed in. That's why your next step is to watch this video. 3 best exercises over 40 to stay strong and independent. It's the perfect follow-up that shows you how to build meals around these supplements so you maximize results. And stay tuned, because in the next upload, I'll break down the 7-day high-protein meal plan for men over 40. A step-by-step plan you can copy to make your supplements work even harder. If this video gave you value, smash that subscribe button and join the DadBod40 Brotherhood. We're just getting started.